again and welcome back to another video. So if you are watching this on release date, it is officially first day of spring, which means I can dive headfirst into spring projects guilt-free. Today I bought myself some nice light crinkle, I don't know what it is technically, it's just a nice light floral fabric, and we're gonna make a comfy spring dress. I'm envisioning this being something that's very easy to wear, lightweight. I'm not really gonna be too fussy with the closures, but I'm not 100% sure how it's gonna look yet. So I think the plan is to dig through some patterns, see what we have, and go from there. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe down below if you would like to see more from me. And I would really appreciate any comments about what you would like to see from me this spring, because the end of March is the end of the first quarter, and I do not have the second quarter very planned out. So suggestions, welcome and appreciated. Okay, let's get started. Okay, for this dress, I'm actually going to be combining two patterns and then adding some of my own details. So first I'm going to be using this blouse pattern, which I used for my corduroy dress last winter, and at that time I altered the neck to be a V and changed the closure to a back, but I'm going to be using this for the bodice. I don't know what you can tell, but it has darts. I'm going to be eliminating the darts and instead gathering that closed. There's a tiny bit of a gathered detail right there, and then I'm going to be using this sleeve with the little bow. I think that's just so cute. And then there's also, I'm adding a skirt because it's going to be a dress. So that is the current plan. Need to cut it out, and then I think we'll start with the sleeve, or maybe we'll start with the bodice. The bodice might be easier because it's just the two side seams and the shoulders, and the gathering I can do afterwards. Can't decide. Alright, so I have been very bad at updating for this one, but I have all of my pieces assembled. Even though this fabric has a pretty dense pattern and it's hard to tell, this is my skirt. I need to give it a hem and then it can be gathered. Here is the bodice. I've gathered, instead of darts, I did little gathered bits down at the bottom because this fabric just I didn't think would lend very well to the structure of having darts. I also closed up the center seam. This is where the button placket is supposed to be. I'm going to sew on some buttons as like a decorative element, but since this fabric is stretchy and just kind of going to fit kind of loosely, I didn't want to actually have buttons, and instead it's going to cinch with a belt, which is the only piece that is not done. And then I have the sleeves. The sleeves still need final finishing here, but look at the ties. They're so precious. I'm so excited about them. Those are ready to be attached to the bodice. So we're going to start with the skirt hem, then we can get the sleeves into the bodice, we can get the skirt onto the bodice, and then the belt, and then it's done.
frogs are yelling.
Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video, and I really like how my dress turned out. I get a chance to sew on the buttons because I didn't have the ones that I thought I did, so that will have to wait for another date. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a like, and you can watch this video next, which is using the same pattern. And yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye!